In this video, we will learn why and when the indirect object pronouns le and les sometimes become se. Before learning when le and les become se, let's first quickly learn what direct and indirect object pronouns are. The object is the action receiver in the phrase. The direct object directly receives the action, while the indirect object indirectly receives the action. The indirect object tells us to whom or for whom an action is done. Here are the direct object pronouns, and here are the indirect object pronouns. When the direct object pronoun and the indirect object pronoun are used in the same sentence, the indirect object pronoun always comes first. In the phrase "I give you the fish," we have both a direct object, the fish that directly receives the action, and an indirect object, you, because I give the fish to you. I give you the fish, te doy el pez, or I give you it, te lo doy. Te is the indirect object pronoun, which comes first, and lo is the direct object pronoun. The indirect object pronouns le or les become se when they are used together with one of the direct object pronouns lo, la, los, or las. One more time, the indirect object pronouns le or les become se when they are used together with one of the direct object pronouns lo, la, los, or las. This is to prevent it sounding awkward when having two pronouns in a row beginning with the letter L. Here are some examples. Se lo servimos, we serve it to her, instead of le lo servimos. Se lo servimos. Se las mostré, I showed him them, instead of le las mostré. Se las mostré. Se las dicho, you have told it to them, instead of les las dicho. Se las dicho. We can add se lo servimos a ella, se las mostré a él, and se las dicho a ellos to clarify that it's to her, to him, and to them.